When subtracting integers, a common mistake that I see students make is adding instead of subtracting. So here we have 4 take away 7. So let's use a number line first. Let's put 0 in the middle, and then I believe we can go up to 5. And on the left, let's go to -5. We are starting at 4, and we have to take away 7. So if we take away 7, we must go left on the number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We land at -3. So our answer is -3. Now let's do this with chips. So if we have a +4, we have to now take away 7. However, we don't have 7 to take away. So in this case, let's add 0 and let's keep doing that until we have what we need to take away. So let's add 0. Let's add a positive and a negative. So now we have 5 positives. We need 7. So let's add another 0 pair. Here's a positive and a negative. Now we have 6, so we need one more 0 pair. Positive, negative. So now we have what we need to take away. We have to take away 7. So let's take that away. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are left with a -3. There's one more strategy I would like to show you, and that is to add the opposite. So if you have 4 take away 7, we can add, you're still starting out with 4. What is the opposite of 7? That is -7. So now you have an addition problem. 4 plus -7. So you can use chips. And then right underneath, let's stack. I am running out of room. So these are negatives. And then eliminate 0 pairs. And we are left with a -3. I do have a video on subtracting integers where I go through a little bit more practice. There is a self-checking quiz, so be sure to check that out if you need more practice on subtracting integers.